raised to ax plus by. So that is equal to, you can, this becomes 1 by f of ab into e raised to ax plus by. So what we are doing, d will change to a and d dash will change to b. Okay, d will change to a and d dash will change to b. Let me check, I have a problem for that. E raised to 2x. Okay, so if you want to find PA is equal to e raised to 2x plus y by d square minus 4dd dash. I'm just talking about PA. CF you have to find from this one. You have to write the auxiliary equation, that is m square minus 4m plus 4. This is equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation for this part. 4dd dash plus 4d dash square. This is the auxiliary equation for this one. From this one, you can find the root and find CF. Here, I am only talking about PA. So, this is equal to, you have to change D with A, D with A, and D dash with 1. D dash with 1. So, this becomes e raised to 2x plus y, this is by 0. You are taking the thingy here. This is 2 square minus 4, 2 into 1 plus 4 like that. This will cancel out. Right? 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 4. Okay. So this is equal to 0, case failed. Then what we have to do? We have to find like the next rule is, we have to put like x e raised to 2x plus 5y divided by, we have to find the derivative here. Dou by dou d. We are taking the derivative with respect to d. So that is d square minus 4dd dash plus 4d dash square. Okay. So you will get an x here with this e raised to x plus y, and you have to take the derivative here. Okay. So this becomes again finding the derivative with respect to d. You will get like e raised to 2x plus y divided by 2d minus 4d dash. This is how we are getting, and again putting d is equal to 2 and y equal to 1, you will get this is equal to 0. Again, the case will fail. Then what we have to do? You have to write like x into, you already have this x here, x into e raised to 2x plus y. 1x will come here, and again you have to take dou by dou d of this part, 2d minus 4d dash. So once you find the derivative, you will get the answer. Okay, if it is case failed, you have to write like x into f of xy, and you have to find the derivative with respect to d. Okay, so that is done. Now the next part is this 12xy here. Next is if you are getting like this one, PA is equal to 12xy divided by, not divided by, you cannot write like this one, 1 by t square plus 3dd dash plus 2d dash square. D dash square into 12xy. So here if it is like this, what you have to do? You have to make this as a linear factor. You can make this as a linear factor, so that becomes d plus 2d dash. Convert, this is the general rule. Okay. Convert this into, I didn't write the general rule over there, I think. It is in your notebook. Convert this into linear factors like this. That is, this is equal to d plus d dash into 12xy. Okay, so first what we have to do, we have to take one part first. D plus 2 dash at 2d dash, keep it aside, and we are just concentrating on d plus d dash of 12xy. 12xy. And the general rule says, I didn't write the general rule. General rule is 1 by 1 by d minus md dash of f of xy of xy. This one I didn't write earlier. Integral f x c minus mx dx. This is the general rule. Okay. Is this 12xy? You can use the other method also. X raised to m, y raised to m, y raised to n. You have another method that I gave you, right? And this is the general rule. You can use any method in the case 3. I didn't explain. Okay. So let me finish this one, then we will move on to the case 3. This is general rule. Okay, general rule. That is 1 by d minus md dash of f of xy. We are just writing as integral f of x c minus mx dx. Okay, c minus mx dx, where y is equal to y plus mx equal to c. Y plus mx is equal to c. Where this is a general rule. Okay, y plus mx is equal to c. So let me do this one. So here we are going to use the general rule. So taking this one, this is of the form d minus md dash. What is our m here? M is minus 1. M is equal to minus 1. And we are taking y is equal to mx. Y plus mx. So y is equal to c minus mx. General rule. Y equal to c minus mx. So here this becomes c minus m. M is minus 1 here. M is minus 1. So c plus x. Okay. So once you got this one, so this one becomes 1 by d plus 2d dash. And for this part, what we are going to do? We are going to change this as integral. For this part becomes this one. For general rule, this whole thing becomes integral of. So integral of which is our function here? 12xy. So x will stays the same. So 12x. And what is our y? Y is c plus x. C plus x dx. So using the general rule, once you got the linear factors like this will change to integral of f of xy. Xy, for y we are using this formula, c minus mx. Okay, so from where we can get this m? From this one, m. And c we are taking as such, like it's a constant. So this is equal to this. Okay, once you got this one, integrating this one, you will get an answer. Okay, you will get an answer. And again, you have to use the same procedure for this one. Okay, the same step. That is, once you got this one, now the new one will be, new f of xy will be this. Let me write that also. So once you got the answer will be 1 by 12, I am taking outside, 1 by d plus 2d dash, and the answer will be x squared by 2 c plus x cubed by 3. So this is the answer you are getting after integrating. You are getting like this. 12 I took it outside. Okay. Now here what you have to do is you have to change this c again to y minus x. Okay, y minus x. So from this c you have to change this as y minus x from this one. So I'm going to write this as 12 into 1 by d plus 2d dash, x square by 2 into y minus x into plus x cubed by 3. Okay, so Now you got this one. This is the second step. So what is our 12? We take like this 1 by d plus 2d dash. 12 is here into our new thingy is x square by 2 into y minus x plus x cube by 3. This is our new f of xy. Again, this is not our answer. You have to solve for this one also. Here, m is equal to d minus t dash. M is equal to minus 2. Again, we are taking y plus mx is equal to y plus mx is equal to c. So y is equal to c minus mx. Y is equal to c minus mx. So again, you have to use for this part. For this part, this becomes integral of 12 is right here. Integral of, I have to change this y and m is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to, this becomes x squared by 2 into y is c minus mx. That is c, m is minus 2. So that is c plus 2x. Change this y. Say c plus 2x minus x. Minus x. C plus 2x minus x plus x cube by 3. And this one again you have to integrate and that will give you the answer. So this is the general method. Once you are finished first part, your new f of xy will be this one. New f of xy. Then you have to start it again with this m and you have to find the y here and again you have to integrate. That is the general method. This general method is very important. Okay. So general method is done. Now we have like the sin x plus 2y. And case 3 is there. That's it. Okay. Now case 3, if f of xy, I didn't explain that case. This f of xy is equal to x raised to y raised to n. If it is like this, what you have to do is pi. Pi is equal to 1 by f of d dash x raised to m y raised to n. Okay. So here what we are doing is this one you are taking as f d dash, taking to the top to the power minus 1 x raised to m y raised to n. For this f of y. Okay, f of xy. And here this one we are going to do the binomial expansion in powers of, that is very important, d dash by d. Do the binomial expansion in powers of d dash by d. This is important, d dash by d. Okay, and once you got the expansion, simplify, you will get the answer. So this xy part, xy we already did. This one we can use this method also. This method also you can do the thingy for this 12xy problem. Okay, so that is case 3. It's in your notebook. You can do, check that. And one more is remaining. That is the sin x plus 2y. Sin x plus 2y. Let me do that. Sin x plus 2y. If you are getting a problem like this one, pi is equal to sin x plus 2y. Sin x plus 2y divided by, not divided by, you cannot write it like this one, 1 by 2d square minus, I'm just giving an example, okay, sin x plus 2y. Okay, so for this one, what is our formula for this thingy, sin x plus 2y? D square will change to a square. D dash will change to, remember all these thingies, otherwise you cannot do that. D dash square is equal to d minus b square. This is minus a square. So this part you have to remember. So here this becomes sin x plus 2y divided by 2 into d square will change to minus a square. What is our a here? 1. A is 1, 1 square, that is minus 1. Okay, then d dash will change to, we have a minus sign here, and d dash will change to minus ab. So that becomes minus ab, that is 1 into 2, that is 2. Okay, so this is equal to sin x plus 2y divided by this is 1 square, you will get it as 1, so 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2, that is minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. So sin x plus 2y divided by 2 into 1, that is 2. This is the answer. So if it is like this, use this formula. Okay. And I am showing only the PA part. The final answer is CF plus PA. I think that's it. Homogeneous is done. So we will stop here. And if it is like y cos x. Good. If it is like this one, that is the last part. If it is like this one, so pi is equal to e raised to x minus y into sin x plus y, x plus 2y. If it is like this, and 1 by e square minus d dash square. So this one will be like 1 by, you have to do this as a linear factor, make this as a linear, hold on 1 second, let me check that. D to d plus a, okay. This one will change to d plus a. What is our a here? 1. D is 1, minus 1. So this will change to d plus 1 the whole square minus d dash will be d dash plus b. That is b is minus 1. So minus 1 the whole square. So for this one, what is the general rule? Rule is 1 by f d dash e raised to ax plus by into bxy. If it is like this, the common rule is we can take this outside, e raised to ax plus by, keep it aside. Can you see that? By into 1 by f d plus a d dash plus b into v of xy. Okay. So what we have to do? Take this apart and change like this. Take this apart, x minus y. And change like this one, and then you are concentrating only this one. Did you understand? So if it is like this, what you have to do? Take this apart and change this to this one. That is d plus a d dash plus b and sin x plus 2y. Now you are concentrating only on this part. You can use the formula, the method for this sin x plus 2y, and you can proceed. So that's it. So I am stopping here. It's 12 o'clock. And you can decide what you want and let me know. Okay, guys.